Hello viewers, today I want to show you how to download a Wistia video from a website. This is simple 4 steps. Just follow my steps. At first, select the download, select the video, right click on video and copy link and thumbnail. Then paste it to a notepad or MS Word, anywhere. Paste. Then select the video code. This is the video code W video equal. This is the video code. Copy this code and go to this website and paste it here. I save this file in the video description. Paste the at last in iframe here. I again paste it here. Okay, now copy the full URL from here and then go to this website and paste it in the enter the video link here. Now click on the search. Look, this video appear here. Now select the video format. I select the 720 pixel. Okay,
Hi, I'm Trevor from
then copy this video link. Copy this video. You can also download this video from here, download icon, and then you need to rename this file as mp4 at last .bin. Replace this .mp4. Otherwise you need to use the IDM, Internet Download Manager. Copy this link and go to Internet Download Manager, add URL. Automatically your link paste it here. Okay, now just select the start download. Okay, it's downloading. For my internet it's maybe needs some time. Okay, I'm waiting for to complete this download. It's need 1 minute. Okay, this is just easy steps. I again before complete download, I again show your all steps. Right click on the Wistia video, paste the code at the last URL, last here in the video code. Go this on this website, paste full URL, and then select the download from download manager. You can download a full video. Okay, look here, my video almost downloaded. It's downloaded. Okay, open folder and I can play it from my computer.
Hi, I'm Trevor from Wistia.
Hope this video can help you many times. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.